कंप्लीट। किरण आपको बात है। बार बार वो चीज की तो बात की पतंगड़ बनाओ जाता है क्योंकि हाँ क्या खत्म बात ना कौन से ताले देखो इसको बताओ सर फिर हम क्या हो तो बताओ तो क्या है तो क्या है। हेलो। हाँ भाई। नहीं मैं अपने घर पे नहीं। हाँ हाँ चलिए। नहीं हम लोग ने एक बार स्टार्ट में लिया था देखो। हाँ ऑनलाइन लेकिन हम लोग वो लॉन्ग रन का ही करते हैं वो एक वन का इन्वेस्ट करके रख दिया है। ऐसा कि मतलब म्यूचुअल फंड। म्यूचुअल फंड नहीं करते हैं ऐसे ही कुछ लेते देते रहते हैं ना ऐसा होता है। एक्चुअली क्या एक ऑलरेडी चल रहा है इसलिए वो हैवी डोज हो जा रहा है। वो कुछ 6500 का चल रहा है। फिर भी मैं डिस्कस करता हूँ, फिर आपको बोलता हूँ। हाँ, तो थोड़ा सा अपना राउंड ऑफ में इसमें है, स्क्वायर पे है, तो बाद में थोड़ा देख लेंगे कैसा करना है। अभी आया है मुझे 8519। ठीक है। Completed?
Yes, sir.
Now, just take out that planner which I had given to you, and where you have doubt, please tell me fast.
Sir,
Yes, which sum?
question number 14.
Question number 14. 1 minute. Let me open that planner from my side. How much? Thursday I had given a planner. Practice till 142, and then electrostatic and potential till 50, and Wednesday till 75 you have to do. Next, write down Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday तक का. Thursday 75 to, only I'm giving 85 so that if there is backlog you can clear this from electric potential sheet. Friday test on electric field from that 1 to 142 plus electric potential till 85. Saturday 85 to 95, Sunday 95 to 105, Monday 105 to 125. This much you have to complete. Friday plus whatever taught in class.
So, what did you do after toroid?
Only toroid I have completed full.
Okay. So where I left, only that much was done.
No, you left in between. Na? We completed full derivation.
Okay. So should I leave 2 pages?
One page is sufficient. 2 page will be comfortable. No problem.
Okay, sir.
क्या हो गया आपका काम? तो पहले क्या कूपन देगा कि क्या करने वाला? और कभी करना है वो? तो सुबह शाम रात को अभी तुरंत कुछ तो होगा ना? आ जाए, ठीक है। अरे मैं उसका इमरजेंसी की बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं लेक्चर ले रहा हूँ। हाँ तो पहले आपका हो जाने दो तो बात करूंगा तो कुछ रहेगा ना अपने को बात करने के लिए। अरे अगर आपका हो गया तो फिर से मैं क्या करूंगा उसको जब मैं जवाब दूंगा, बताओ मुझे। और ये किसके लिए कर रहे हो आप? अपना दिमाग चलाते हो, करो पहला, बाद में बहुत बताओ मुझे। जरूरत किसका था पहला? आज पहला उधर जाना जरूरी था ना। मैं रखता हूँ आपको, मैं रखता हूँ, बाद में बात करता हूँ। अरे फोन क्यों नहीं उठाता है जब करता हूँ तो? समझा नहीं कैसे यार, कुछ तो बात करने का रहेगा ना। टाइम पास के लिए करता हूँ, लेक्चर के बीच में आप लोगों को फोन करता हूँ, आप लोग फोन नहीं उठाते। समझा नहीं बोल रहे हो, कोई बात हुआ क्या? 10 मिनट के बाद समझा आपको भाई। वो खुल रहा है कि नहीं इसके लिए मैंने फोन किया था। रुको फिर। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
विच सम यू वांट?
14.
14। मैंने कहा 14। सम नंबर 14। This is point A on which we have charge plus Q, B, C, D, charge minus Q, plus Q minus Q. They are saying what is relation between potential at A, B, C, D. See, potential at A, B, C, D. This is dipole, they are saying, correct?
Yes, sir.
Dipole means it is equidistance from both sides, na, this center.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now, A and C both are on the axis of dipole, correct?
Yes, sir.
And BD is on equator of dipole.
Yes, sir.
On equator of dipole, potential becomes zero because it is equidistance from negative and positive charge. So VB and VD are same, okay?
Yes, sir.
V same means it is zero. Now VA is on the right side of positive charge. So VA is greater than VC. Let us check any combination. VA greater than VC and it is negative. VC is negative. This is 0. This is positive. So can I say VA is greater than VB? VB, VD are equal, which is greater than VC? Not followed? Hello, followed now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 14.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Then which one?
21.
A thin non-conducting rod of length 50 centimeter has a positive charge of uniform linear density 10 raised to minus 12 coulomb per meter. Find the potential due to rod at a point which is perpendicular distance of at a point which is at perpendicular distance of 1 point. There is one rod of length 50 centimeter, lambda 10 raised to minus 12 coulomb per meter. Find the potential due to rod at a point which is at perpendicular distance from one end. Perpendicular distance of 1 centimeter from one end of the rod. Epsilon 0 is given as 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. Okay. See, do you know any relation between E and V? E and V, any relation is there? Hello? Any relation between E and V?
Potential by R.
Potential by distance. E is V by R.
Yes, sir.
That means V is E into R.
Yes, sir.
So if I get E near long straight conductor, I can get R.
Yes.
I can get V. So this is nothing but lambda upon 2 pi R epsilon naught, if you recollect, into R. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Able to recollect? 2 pi R epsilon naught into R. R will get cancelled. Lambda is 10 raised to minus 12. I'm multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. So that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is nothing but 9 into 10 raised to 9. Correct? 18 into 10 raised to minus 3. No, it's not matching. Huh? 18 into 10 raised to minus 3. Just draw the diagram. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Lambda upon 4 pi epsilon naught is perfectly right. But because of this rod distributed on length L, we have to take consideration of that. So थोड़ा उसके लिए special formula syllabus से actually निकाल दिया है. I'm just writing that formula. So at the perpendicular length near the rod, it is lambda upon 4 pi epsilon natural log of L plus L square plus B square raised to half upon D. You can delete this sum. Now it is deleted from the syllabus. Just write formula, then write not to be done. That's it.
Done, sir.
After this, which sum?
29.
29. You want. Read that sum, 29.
Three charges, each plus q, are placed at the corners of an isosceles triangle ABC of sides BC and AC to A. B and E are the midpoints of BC and CA. The work done in taking a charge q from D to E is.
Okay. Side A, C and BC are isosceles. D and E are midpoint. So this AE, EC will be AA, and this BD and DC will be AA. Find the work done in taking the charge from where to where?
From D to E.
From D to E. So that means you have to find potential at point D, at point E, then work done upon charge is potential difference between the 2 points. At D, potential due to A, at D, potential due to B, at D, potential due to C we have to find. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this length, let us see how much it will be. This length. A to D. Length I have to find. Can I take it is nothing but AC square plus CD square? AC square is AD square plus CD square.
Yes, sir.
AC is nothing but 2A the whole square means 4A square.
Yes, sir.
Minus A square, 3A square root 3A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So potential at D will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught charge Q upon root 3A plus charge Q upon A plus charge Q upon A. This much you followed?
Yes.
At E, it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught at E. Charge at A, charge at C are at distance of AA plus this charge B. It will be same. 4A square minus A square means root 3 by A. Correct?
So can you repeat?
This distance BE is same now. 4A square
Yes, sir.
plus this if you draw perpendicular. So both this BDV are the same.
Yes, sir.
So difference is 0. Difference is 0.
Yes.
So work done will be 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Solve.
Done, sir.
After 29, which sum you want?
36.
36. Three concentric shell have radii ABC such that A is less than B, B is less than C, have surface charge density sigma, minus sigma, and plus sigma. If V A, VB, VC denotes potential of three shell such that C is A plus B, then what is the relation between them? Okay. One shell, second shell, third shell. Radius is A, B, C, such that they are telling C is A plus B. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Now we want potential relations. Charges are plus sigma, minus sigma, plus sigma on the shells A, B, C. So potential at A will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge at A upon A plus charge at B upon radius B. Charge at, because potential anywhere inside is same as potential on the surface. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So A ka inside, B is A ka inside, and A is also C ka inside. So it is QA, QB, QC upon this radius A, B, and C. Draw diagram and copy only till this.
Done.
Okay.
Wait.
Charge means sigma means charge upon area. So it is sigma into 4 pi A square upon A. This is negative. So minus sigma 4 pi B square upon B plus sigma 4 pi C square upon C. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon constant. This 4 pi I can bring outside. So inside we get sigma A minus sigma B plus sigma C.
Done.
Okay, now we'll try to get VB and VC and check the relation. Potential at B is nothing but same type, 4 pi upon 4 pi epsilon not common ले लिया. 4 pi if you want you can cancel. Hello.
Yes, sir.
First for B, this is charge here sigma anywhere outside due to A. What will be potential? Q at A upon distance R A. That means A, correct?
Yes, sir.
And for B, it is the surface. So it will become minus Q at B upon radius B. It is inside C. So plus QC charge at A, this distance from center to that point is B, minus QB upon B, QC upon C. So that will become 1 upon epsilon naught sigma into A 4 5 बाद में करना चाहिए था मुझे कैंसिल. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now it is okay. इधर कैंसिल मत करें. Because 4 pi r square sigma upon b minus sigma upon b square by b plus sigma into c square by c. So potential at B we are getting sigma a square by B, sigma b square by B minus sigma c square upon c. B at C will become 4 pi cancel, directly लिख देता हूँ 1 upon epsilon naught. In sigma we are writing everything. So for A, for C, sigma a square upon C minus of sigma b square upon radius is again distance C plus sigma c square upon C. This you are following now. What is taken? C is distance from center. So for
Yes, sir.
C, distance from center is C. For A also, for B also.
Yes, sir.
That means we got, just copy till this, then VA, VB, VC we are writing to check the relation.
Done, sir.
Okay. We got VA, we got VB, we got VC. And we have relation that C is A plus B. So I'm just assuming let A equals to A, B is 2A, then C will be 3A. Then only C is greater than B, greater than A will come. So now our VA will be 1 upon epsilon naught sigma A square upon A minus sigma B square, that means 2A square upon B, which is 2A, plus sigma C square upon C upon C. And VB will become 1 upon epsilon sigma A square upon 2A minus sigma 2A the whole square will become 4A square upon 2A plus sigma C square upon C. So clearly we can see both are equal.
Yes, sir.
Where is it? Not equal ना ये but ये 2A ये है. VC is 1 upon epsilon naught sigma a square upon 3a minus 4 sigma a square upon 3a plus sigma c square upon c. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
इसका टोटल क्या होएगा? These two are different, that is clearly visible. अभी a और c देखते हैं. When you simplify this, this is sigma a square minus 4a square upon 2a, and this is sigma a square minus 4. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Hello?
Yes, sir.
3 upon 3 will get cancelled. Only you will get sigma a. Same way here, LCM is 2. So this will become 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 upon 2 will get cancelled. So VA will be same as VC and both are greater than VB. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
difficult है थोड़ा ये.
So
Yes.
how did you get VA equal to VC?
Now if you simplify, what is VA? Sigma a square minus sigma a square upon a na after a simplification.
Yes.
Sigma a square upon a minus a 4 and 2 cancel होएगा. So sigma a square upon 2a, that will
No,
become
it will
what?
become A.
What will become a?
4 by 2. It will become sigma
4 by 2
2A.
is 2 na. 2 only everything.
No, it will be above. It 2 will be in the numerator.
Yes, correct. 2 is numerator, correct. So this will become minus sigma a square upon a. Na?
Yeah.
Same you are getting for third one. This one. Same.
Oh, yes.
So these two terms are same. See, we are very much ahead in portion. So doubt solving we will keep on doing regularly.
Done, sir.
I think September end we should be able to complete your portion. Which other doubt?
So I'm done.
So only this much you all had done?
Yes, sir. Till 50.
Till 50 you have done and your doubt is clear, you are saying?
Yes, sir.
For other students? Doubt is clear till 50?
So I have not started.
Please start now. Don't do that way.
So I have my exams going on. Final.
Final 11th standard?
Yeah. They are taking a MCQ based test.
Achha, so paper might be very easy now, na?
Yeah.